Alright guys, welcome back to Joe Man's Land, and yes, you were seeing me through the Osmo action. Today is sensor cleaning day. I've got my one main camera I always love to use, which of course is the Nikon Z6. I have never cleaned its sensor before, so let's order a lens cleaning kit off Amazon. Let's see how long it takes to get here. Is that it already? That was so quick. I'm just kidding. I actually ordered it yesterday. Today's video is going to be all about how to clean a full frame mirrorless camera sensor without damaging it. And yes, this is my first time doing it on the Nikon. I've done it a couple times before on the old Fuji, but never on that one. Let's get down there. Let's get some lunch first, and then we'll start cleaning. Let's go. Here we are with Tony. Tony, are you a photographer?
I'm not.
Are you a videographer?
Nope.
Do you know how to clean a sensor on a camera?
I do not.
Am I stupid for not wearing a sleeve jacket?
Yes.
You've been informed. Good chicken. Let's have a chat about what you actually get in this kit when you purchase it. Here's the cleaning solutions. This is what we're going to use for cleaning the actual sensor. Then we've got all of these swabs. They're one-time use only, and they're the swabs that we're going to spray the solution on to actually clean the sensor. Of course, you get a nice little micro blower, which you should always use first, right, to try to get rid of as much dust as possible. Then you've got your microfiber cloth, which you can obviously use on lenses and things like that. Then we've got our microfiber cleaning cloth. We've got a bunch of those, so that's nice. And we've got a lens tissue, so I guess it's more specifically for the lens itself. And we've got this thing, and I actually don't know what this is. Ah, it's a cleaner. Check that thing out. Not entirely sure what I'm supposed to do with this, but yeah, there's that. All right, let's get to the actual cleaning of the lens. All right, let's have a look at the menu system here. So obviously I'm using my Z6, so we're gonna go to the menu. Then we're gonna go to wrench here. Then we're gonna go to clean sense image sensor. We're gonna do one clean now. It's always good to start with that. Take some time. So let's open the swab here. And I was reading the instructions very carefully, and it is one-time use only. So make sure that if you're getting one of these kits, you are aware that you're not gonna probably end up using this again. So before we finish opening that, let's get the camera opened up. Be careful here because I don't want to damage anything. That's the big thing, right guys? It's better to have a slightly dirty sensor than a completely damaged one. It's tricky because obviously the most important thing is me actually doing a good job cleaning it. We'll start with just doing a blow. That's what it recommends. All right, we got our spray. It said to 1 to 2 drops of the spray on the swab itself. Here's what the swab looks like. So as you can see, it's pretty small. 1, 2. I'm just going on that side, make sure it's even. Making a bit of a mess, but better to make a mess than damage something, right? Okay, so here we go. Got the swab. Remember, we're only gonna do 2 passes. There's 1. And then there's 2. Got this bad boy cleaned up. Now we're going to get the lens cleaner. My 35 almost always lives on this camera. We're gonna quickly clean that so we can get it covered. Obviously, whenever you're cleaning the inside element of a lens, you need to be super duper careful. You don't want to hurt anything. Give both a quick blow. Throw this on here. Then that's it. All right, honestly, that was a lot less stressful than I thought it was gonna be. I was thinking there was gonna be like 9 steps, multi-stage rocket, that whole dealio, but it really wasn't that bad. I think the big thing is just making sure you've got a clean environment around you, make sure you've got the camera open and ready to go. Start with making sure you've done the automatic, sensor cleaning that's in whatever camera you're using, and then make sure you seal it up right away after. But anyways, guys, tell me what you thought about this video. I hope you found this instructional and useful. Sorry, the production quality's a tad lower than what I usually do, but you know what, again, I'm cleaning the camera that I use for my work and for my YouTube channel, so obviously I'm gonna have to use a B camera like the Osmo Action. When I do that, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.